Look at your eyes, you're so damn surprised. I bet you didn't know that I'd actually go away. I packed my bags and I called up a taxi. On the telephone, you won't be seeing me no more. You just don't seem to please me, that's why I'm saying goodbye to you. But I wish you well, no hard feelings. So I'm going to Helsinki, where the world is upside down, and I can make snow angels in the ground without you. So I'm going to Helsinki to forget about my life for just a little while. Ooh. I met a girl on the slopes, her name is Inga. She likes to play Monopoly and drink Irish beer. She taught me how to laugh by tickling me in the ribs, 'cause that's where I'm ticklish. She likes to see me squirm. She really seems to please me, that's why I'm staying here. So I wish you well, no hard feelings. So I'm staying in Helsinki, where the world is upside down, and I can make snow angels in the ground without you. Oh, so I'm going to Helsinki to forget about my life for just a little while. So I'm going to Helsinki, where it snows all summer long, so I can make snow angels in the ground without you. So I'm going to Helsinki to forget about my life for just a little while.